Today is a great day for an unboxing. I received today in the mail Dooney Bourke. Focus that for a minute. I unboxed two satchels from Dooney Bourke. I'll put the links up here to the videos. They're both satchels. One is in the black deco and one is in the white deco. I am waiting to carry and switch out of the current bag that I'm carrying, which is the Coach Savannah in the powder pink, but I'm waiting on the accessories for the satchels that I purchased. And I'm hoping that what I have today includes something that goes along with this. I don't know if it's the white, I don't know if it's the black, I don't know what it is. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. So let's get to it. Did I even say thank you for joining? Thank you for joining me, Mrs. DLC, on my channel today. But I'm so excited about getting into this. When I did my last video, I informed you that I was just not understanding Dooney Bourke because I ordered everything at the same time, but I'm getting packages just separately. I don't know if they're coming from different warehouses or how that's working, but everything is just coming in pieces. So I received today, as I said, one of my accessories, and let's see what she is. It looks like it's the white, people. It is the white deco. Oh my goodness. Look, take a gander. She is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see. So let's just start from the outside. You have the Dooney Bourke plaque here. Try to focus that a bit. Yep. And then on the back, you have the zipper pocket. The zipper is nice and smooth on this. And let's see how deep it is. Oh, okay, it's pretty deep with a red interior. The pop of red is gorgeous. Gorge. Then let's look at what the interior looks like. I take some of this packaging out. You have the red, pop of red, and the leather. I love their wallets and how they pay so much attention to the interior of a wallet. That means a lot to me when I'm looking at wallets. I love a leather interior for a wallet. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots for cards, business cards, store cards, whatever you carry here. It also has a window slot. You have a pocket here for bills, receipts, whatever you want to carry. And then you also have another 1, 2. So 3 long pockets. 1, 2, and then you have this one, 3. This is I believe this is a coated canvas. And let's see, product establishment. Trying to see what I have here in the packaging. This will go with, and I have it right here, so I'm excited about it, with my satchel. And I do have this accessory, which was actually a badge holder. I'll be using this for my business cards, and I will also have the wallet that goes along with it. It is beautiful. So I was trying to decide which one I would start with, and it all depended on which accessory I received first. So this is the bag that I will switch into. I still have one other accessory that I'm waiting on, but this just gives me enough to get started. Love it. If you are contemplating the deco pattern for Dooney Bourke, Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Just do it. It's gorgeous. You will not be disappointed at all. I looked at the tote, the satchel. I wanted I can't remember what they call it, but it's more like the speedy style. But that was sold out. I could not find that anywhere. So I gave up on that. I'm gonna try this satchel out. I'm a satchel girl, but this style is a little different than what I'm used to. But I'm gonna go with it. And my next video, I'm gonna show you how I switch out of my Coach Powder Pink into my Deco Dooney Bourke satchel bag. Thank you all for joining. If you have any comments, drop them into the comment section. I will put some links in here for the wallet. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think this was probably about $80, $79, something like that. But I'll put the link to the wallets in the description box as well. This is DLC signing off. Until next time.